Guys, a little bit of bad news about the boat. I was going across Suda Bay last week, and I always check, obviously you must always check what fuel you've got before you leave the harbour, and I had over a half a tank, so more than enough to go 3.5 nautical miles, and I ran out of fuel halfway across the bay. So thankfully I had a top tip, always have a spare tank of fuel with you. I had 22 litres in a can, and so that got me to the other side. But then I found out that had drained off as well by the time I got to the other side. So I'd done an emergency landing on a slip on the other side at Marathi, and I found out I had a hole, a 25mm hole in the fuel tank, so the size of a bullet hole. And here's my little baby. She's back in hospital. But anyway, I just sort of let you know, everything's good. Macaulay has kindly ordered me a new fuel tank, which is about €200. It's a 162 litre tank, it's exact replica of the original. And so my little baby is somewhat poorly, not well. So anyway, if you've been watching the videos, you'll notice that I've been in England for the last week, and so Macaulay's fitting the tank for me, and I should be back on the high seas in about 2 days. So we'll see you on the water. Alright guys, thanks for checking out, and if you're not subscribed, why not subscribe and get to every video that comes along in the future. Alright, all the best, rock and roll. So my buddy Paul, you met Paul from Toronto, he's going to be buying himself a new boat, and what's ironic is his new one and my old sugar lips rock and roll are sat together in hospital, in a boat hospital. There they are. This is Paul's new boat. It's a Quicksilver 560. It's beautiful, got a cabin. What year is it, Paul?
98, wasn't it?
98, 1998. And how sexy is she? Very nice. It's not been in the water for 2 years, and got a real good deal on it. And got an old 90 horsepower Mercury engine that's been well serviced and well looked after. And as I say, it's not been in the water for 2 years, but you're highly delighted, aren't you, Paul?
Looking forward to it. Looking forward to it.
Yeah.
The sun's shining.
Yes.
The sea beckons.
It really does. There's no doubt about it. There's my puppy. Looks like a bloody Thunderbird too, ready to take off. But it's not until now that it's just to show how nice a job, although I say it myself, a nice job on the buffering and the compounding. The polishes, I mean, this is sea salt. Actually, I should have washed it off really, but they had to get it off here before I went to England. So there we are. So it's more it's more like an aeroplane at the moment, or a missile. And this is Paul's babe, and very nice. Quicksilver, good make. There we are. Hey guys, how do you fancy watching a Toyota engine go into a boat? There's the puppy there, look. Macaulay says it's about a 315 horsepower engine. What a nice, sexy bit of kit.
Come from Rotterdam,
Rotterdam,
made in Japan. Funny that, isn't it?
24 valve.
Very nice. Can you put one of these in my boat?
Yes, and there's more.
And there's the boat is going in. Yes, yes.
Rock and roll!